Hi everyone, welcome back to Frontend Insight. Today we are solving a popular coding problem meaning two sorted arrays into a single array. Okay, so we will use both predefined JavaScript method for an easy solution and understand each step clearly in layman's terms. Okay, so the problem is to take two already sorted arrays like 0, 3, 4, 31 and 4, 6, 30. Okay, and merge them into one sorted array 0, 3, 4, 4, 6, 3, 30 and 31. Okay, so because each array is already sorted, we just need to merge them without sorting each item individually. Okay, so let's start by looking at the quick solution using the JavaScript built-in method. Okay, this is the great approach when you are looking for an efficient and one-line solution. Okay, so let me write const the array one. Okay, that is our array one. Const array two. Okay, so let's merge it const then merge array. Okay, this is the simple way. You can say one-liner solution. Array 1 comma, we are using the spread operator here. The 3 dot is a spread operator, and then we sort it. Sort a arrow function, and let me add the bracket here. Okay, so let me console it. So this is the one-liner solution. Let me save it, and our output should be this. Our output should be this. Okay, let me run the program. Okay, so 0, 3, 4, 4, 6, 30 and 31. So we get the expected out. Okay, so let's break down this code line by line. Okay, so first we take const array 1 and second the array 2, and we are assigned the arrays. Okay, so for first array 0, 3, 4, 31 and for second array 4, 6, 30. Okay, are the two sorted arrays, is already sorted arrays, and we wanted to merge it. Okay, so for this we take one variable merged array. Okay, and here we uses the spread operator to combine both arrays into one. Okay, and then we use sort a comma b, and then means we use the sort method here, and this sorts this combined array in ascending order. Okay, so this is the simple and effective, but let's go deeper and see how to merge without dot sort. Okay, this solution is a simple and effective, but let's go deeper and see how to merge without using dot sort method. Okay, so now let's create a merge sorted array, a function that merges these two arrays without using dot sort method. Okay, so we will use pointer to make the process efficient. Okay, so merged sorted arrays. Okay, this is the method we have, and we are passing. Let me write the function, and we are passing two arrays, array 1 and array 2. Okay, array 1 and array 2. Okay, and then we will take variable equals to merged array. Okay, and we make it blank at first, and let I equal to 0 and j we are taking two variable, and initially we set it as 0. Okay, and we will use the while loop here. While I less than array1 dot length and j less than array2 dot length. Okay, and we write the condition here then. If array of I is less than array array sorry array 1 of I is less than array 2 of j. Okay, we are comparing the values directly here. Then we use the merged array dot push. Okay, and we add array 1 of I there. Okay, if array 1 of I is less than array 2 of j, then we push the array 1 of I, and vice versa we will do it else loop. So in else case, merged array dot push. So here we push array 2 dot j, array 2 of j. Okay, and yeah, we need to increase the value of I plus plus here, and we are pushing array to j well in array 2, so we need to increase the value of j here. Okay, this is all sorted. Okay, so the while loop, we need to return merged array, and we need to concat array 1 dot slice of I. Okay, and concat array 2 dot slice then j. Okay, so yeah, so this is our code without inbuilt methods. Okay, so let's go through this code in simple terms. So first, we take merge array as is an empty array where we will store our merge result. Okay, and then we create two variables I and j, and I and j, and we initialize 0 in both the variables. Okay, so to keep track of where we are in array 1 and array 2. Okay, so here, so here's the logic of loop we will using. Okay, so we will use while I less than array of 1 dot length and j less than array of array 2 dot length. So which runs as long as there are elements left in both arrays. Okay, so if array 1 of I is less than array 2 of j, checks if the current element is smaller. If it is, we add it to the merged array. Okay, and move to the next element in array 1 by doing I plus plus. Okay, so else means the current element in array 2 is smaller or equal, so we push it into merged array, okay, and increment j means j plus plus to check the next element in array 2. Okay, so one array one array might have leftover elements, so we add them to merge array with concat method. Okay, so array 1 dot slice of I and array 2 dot slice j. Take any leftover elements and add them to the final arrays. Okay, so let's test our function with the same arrays to confirm it works or not. Okay, so let me write so log and the sorted array, and we will pass this to arrays test. Okay, to cure the comma. Okay, we will pass this to arrays. Okay, so let me run it again. So we get the expected answer here: 0, 3, 4, 4, 6, 3, 0, 30 and 31. Okay, so here's the entire code for merging two sorted arrays without dot sort methods. So from here, without sort method, we have added the logic for merging two arrays. Okay, okay, so and and that's it. We have covered two ways to merge and sort arrays. A quick method to mm, a quick method with JavaScript built-in dot sort method, and the manual approach without dot sort method. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what coding problem you want me to solve next. Thank you.